conceptualize this approach to blocking, kind of like an active way of blocking, I'm essentially doing kind of like your regular planks on the wall into your elbow planks. So if I could do that one-handed, and if I could do that at different angles, I'm doing that when a punch comes in. So you throw punches. So I'm essentially creating structures or frames and then breaking down that frame to the next lowest point, which would be my elbow point as I block. So if I try to, keep going, if I try to like move my body into it, you can kind of imagine how the body is like planking to the forearms, planking to the hands. So I could do that actively and make those into strikes too, right? So if he does that same thing, I can throw these as elbows. And then how my footwork is kind of in and out as I do this, because essentially I'm like allowing my body to plank on the point of impact. So an easy way to do this, you're gonna block, 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 hand, elbow, hand, elbow. Cool. So hand, hand, elbow, hand, elbow, hand, elbow, hand. So me as the attacker, I'm just alternating my hands. They're doing two on one side. So now you can also elbow strike down, right? So you're here, and you're elbowing like this. You can go block, down, block, down, block. Kind of like you're swimming. Block, down, block, down, block, down. Block, down, block, down, down. So you can turn your body when you go down to really turn into that. Yes, you can over exaggerate that. Turn, 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 turn. Let's see if you can incorporate that as I just throw random punches. So you don't have to do that the entire time, but just block. Regular blocks. Every single time. See an opportunity? Yeah. See that? So your body automatically protects your head. Now you get to play around with the blocks a little more. That's kind of the whole point of just having like a impenetrable force field around your head. Your hands actively move to just protect where your head is. And now once you're confident that you could do whatever you want to do and your head's going to be protected, that's when you throw on your attacks and stuff. So right now this is easy because we're following a rhythm. When you go against an actual opponent, the rhythm changes, right? That's the whole, Bruce Lee always talks about broken rhythm. So if I try to trick you a little bit, you're following this 1, 2, right? So that's the next level. And then you also have your body movement. We isolated your body, and then we also isolated your head. So you're only using your hands to block. But then eventually, if you throw punches here, I can use my body to move around, and I use my head to move around as well, right? So it's kind of like level 1 defense. Defend, 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 you punch. Level 2, getting out of the way. Level 3, getting my head out of the way as well. So you have essentially like 3 rings of force fields protecting your whole head in that sense. Hands, body, and head, protecting all of that. So that's where it gets kind of fun, because that means there's no reason for anyone to be able to hit you. And then you get to throw your own strikes or close the distance.